Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about different heart disorders. There are many heart disorders. Few of the disorders cause acute effects and few causes chronic effect. But in this video we are going to discuss about selected disorders of the blood and the cardiovascular system. Dear friends, it's a sickle cell anemia. In sickle cell anemia, the shape of RBC turns to sickle shaped. खुरपी होती है मिट्टी खोदने वाली उसके जैसे इधर देखिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इट बिकम्स लाइक अ सिकल शेप एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर इज अ improper supply of oxygen through hemoglobin. Look in this video, if a normal RBC is there, it can flow through the blood vessels very easily. While if we have a sickle shaped RBC, it can block the area of blood vessels and that blockage can interrupt the flow of blood. Look in this diagram. In this video you can see there is the diagram. You can see this one. In this diagram, look here, that the shape of RBC is biconcave and this biconcave shape contain proper amount of hemoglobin. While in this diagram, the RBC become sickle shaped and because of sickle shaped, there is abnormal presence of hemoglobin. Because of that, the cell is not able to carry sufficient amount of oxygen. And if you are not getting sufficient oxygen, you are not able to oxidize food properly. And if you are not able to oxidize food properly, then you can't produce energy. So in sickle cell anemia, we have multiple disorders. This is another disease, leukemia, which is very commonly known as cancer. In leukemia, there is an uncontrolled production of WBC. See, in your body, there is a specific amount of the blood. If WBC is producing in excess, definitely this WBC is producing on the cost of RBC and platelets. Now look in this diagram video that in blood vessel along with the RBC, WBCs are flowing and see blood में हमेशा ही WBC, RBC साथ में जाते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट यहाँ पर WBC का काउंट बढ़ गया है इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ RBC. So it will not allow RBC to carry sufficient oxygen. It will not allow platelets to clot the blood. So leukemia की वजह से में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. Look in this diagram. Sorry, not this one. This one. Look in this diagram. This is the normal blood. This is the leukemia blood. In normal blood, we have more number of RBC. These are the RBC and less number of WBC. A normal human, we have millions of RBC and we have a less amount of WBC. And this is leukemia. In this, you can see there are lot of WBC. All these are WBCs. And definitely these WBCs are producing on the cost of RBC. जैसे जैसे WBC काउंट बढ़ रहा है RBC का काउंट कम हो रहा है, प्लेटलेट्स का काउंट कम हो रहा है. Now these are the few of the symptoms of leukemia disease. If you are suffering from leukemia, you can have swollen lymph nodes, means आपके कान के पास में swelling हो सकती है, दर्द हो सकता है. You may have fever. You may have fever. It's not necessary that you have a very high fever like 102 or 103. You may have fever like 99 or 100, but you feel like that, feverish every time. You may have night sweat at night. There could be a sweating. Your nose can bleed. There could be a severe infection in your mouth. Your any part, in case of any injury, your any part can start bleeding very easily. Sometimes we have pain in our bones or in joints. Sometimes we have red spots on the skin, and sometimes there is a frequent loss of weight without any reason. If you are doing exercise, if you are controlling your diet, if you are doing more physical work, if you are tired, if you are traveling, and in all these cases, if your weight is reducing, it might be okay. But without any reason, if your weight is reducing, that you have to give a thought and you need to consult with a doctor. This is another disease, hemophilia. Now what happens in a normal case? Normally क्या होता है, When we have injury to blood vessels result in bleeding. When there is a bleeding, then vessels constrict and clotting starts, and clotting factor prevent that bleeding. So in normal case, natural clotting factor helps to form a strong platelets plug. A stable fibrin is formed, mesh, and it forms a clot which does not allow bleeding. प्लेटलेट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वो क्लॉट बना लेते हैं, वो प्लग बना लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ब्लीडिंग नहीं हो पाता है. बट इफ़ यू आर हीमोफिलिक, देर इज़ अ लैक ऑफ नेचुरल क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर, मीन्स ओनली वीक प्लेटलेट्स आर देयर which are able to produce clotting, but that clotting is very weak and there is a incomplete fibrin production. Because of that, bleeding continue and it's difficult to control their bleeding. So hemophilia is a genetic disorder in which we generally have some problem in clotting of blood in case of any injury. This is another disease of angina pectoris. In angina pectoris, faulty coronary circulation is there due to low supply of oxygen. Now, like if I am talking about this vessel, there is some swelling is there. There could be hardness or veins. There could be some kind of clotting is there. So because of all these factors, the blood supply is interrupted, and because of that, sufficient oxygen supply is not there. This is called angina pectoris. In angina pectoris, we may have chest pain, we may have choking sensation, we may have labored breathing, and sometimes we may have sweating also. So if anyone is feeling like this, we should consult the doctor immediately. Now, another disease is palpitation. Palpitation is a fluttering of the heart, abnormal heart rate. It is an increase of the heartbeat on and sudden, or decrease of the heartbeat, or you can say there is a miss out of the some of the heartbeat. कुछ बीट्स मिस हो जाती हैं, कुछ बहुत तेज हो जाती हैं, कुछ बहुत स्लो हो जाती हैं, तो हार्ट बुरी तरीके से फ्लटरिंग करने लगता है, बीट करता है बहुत फास्टली. इट्स नॉट गुड एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ज़्यादा हार्ट बीट होने से आपको कॉन्शियसनेस हो सकती है, आपको डिजीनेस हो सकता है, आपको किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट में पेन हो सकता है, हेडेक हो सकता है. The another disease is cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest is cessation of an effective heartbeat. The heartbeat may be completely stopped or can have poor efficiency. Now, cessation means stoppage of effective heartbeat. Effective heartbeat नहीं आती. Now, there are two things which we generally confuse. One is cardiac arrest. It is an electrical problem. Means आपका जो SA node है, it is not able to create sufficient heartbeat. वो इतनी impulse ही create नहीं कर पा रहा कि heartbeat originate हो सके. Sometimes it is creating the impulse, but it is not able to send it to AV node. AV node पे नहीं जा रही है. Or may be possible from AV node it is not able to send it to bundle of His or all. कहने का मतलब है कि हार्ट बीट ओरिजिनेट नहीं हो रही है या प्रॉपर नहीं है. In that case, we may have cardiac arrest. Now, what happens in heart attack? Heart attack is a plumbing problem. Plumbing problem means because of the blockage in artery, the blood supply to heart is stopped and heart is unable to pump the blood to the entire body. That is called heart attack. This is another disease that is called hypertension. It is a high blood pressure disease. It is a common disease affecting the heart and heart blood vessels. It may be due to thickening in arterial wall. It may be due to narrow lumen because of the deposition of cholesterol. Generally, we have, I am talking about diastolic pressure, it is 90 mm of Hg. In moderate condition, it could be 100 mm of Hg. And if it is going beyond 100 mm of Hg of diastolic pressure, so it is a matter of emergency. We should consult to a doctor. Look in this diagram, this one. This is the instrument sphygmomanometer by which the doctor trying to measure the high blood pressure or normal blood pressure. You know, heart disorder or heart blockage or hypertension can affect our kidney also because all these organs are interconnected. The another disease is, there are actually three diseases. Arteriosclerosis, in which आर्टरी के अंदर हार्डनेस हो जाती है इस रीजन में ड्यू टू ओल्ड एज. So this artery is not able to contract and relax easily. That's why there is an interruption in blood supply. The another one case is atherosclerosis. Look in this diagram. In this diagram, this much amount of cholesterol is deposited on the wall of artery, and because of that lumen become narrow. यदि आपका ये आर्टरी है और इतनी में सारे में यदि कोलेस्ट्रॉल जमा हो गया तो now it becomes narrow. A blood will supply at a high pressure. Okay, this is the another one, coronary thrombosis. In coronary thrombosis, in coronary artery, there is a big clot, and because of this clotting, sometimes there is a poor supply of blood, and sometimes there is no supply of blood. So these are the three disorders of heart. In case of any of this disorder, especially in case of coronary thrombosis or atherosclerosis, what we have to do? We have to do angioplasty. In angioplasty, we introduce a balloon in the body. See, this one is balloon. ये balloon है. हम enter करते हैं. When this balloon is enter, look here, it will leave that balloon there, and after that, this opening will open, and then there is a proper supply of blood. In this second one, you can notice balloon enter. It does not, that needle-like structure enter. Balloon is also entering, but only balloon is not opening, and it is not only helping in widening of the arteries, but we introduce a mat of steel, stainless steel, that is called stent, to widen that artery. It all depend कि coronary artery के अंदर कितना blockage है और वो blockage कितना frequent है, उसके हिसाब से हम एंजियोप्लास्टी डिसाइड करते हैं. Okay, so there are 7 steps to healthy heart, because if your heart is healthy, you are healthy. Number 1, read it. Check food labels to make healthier choices. कुछ भी खाने से पहले आप चीज़ें पढ़ें और समझें कि इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं जो मेरे हार्ट को नुकसान कर सकती हैं. नंबर 2, ऑयली फिश ट्वाइस अ वीक. वीक में कम से कम 2 बार आप ऑयली फ़िश को ज़रूर खाएं, क्योंकि वो ओमेगा 3 फैट की सप्लाई करता है. नेक्स्ट इज़ रिड्यूस एक्सेस सॉल्ट इन योर डाइट. हमें ज़्यादा नमक, और स्पेशली जो हम नमक ऊपर से डालकर खाते हैं फ्रूट्स में और सैलड्स में, कर्ड में, वी शुड अवॉइड दैट बिकॉज इट मे इंक्रीज ब्लड प्रेशर. वी शुड वर्क आउट फॉर 150 मिनट्स ऑफ एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज पर वीक, preferably on daily basis if you can do, and if you cannot do, then alternative basis, not for a week in a day. Next is whatever meal we are taking, out of those meals, the 5 part of the meal should be fruits and vegetables in a day. 5 portion of fruit and vegetable a day is compulsory, because fruits and vegetables contain high amount of fiber, which makes the heart healthy. Lose it. If you are overweight, lose it. Quit it. What you have to quit? You have to quit smoking, you have to quit alcohol to keep your heart healthy. So till then, take care, और अपने हार्ट की खुद से सुरक्षा करें, क्योंकि दिल है तो जहान है. टेक केयर. गुड बाय.